What's up, guys? It's your boy, Adventures in Bitcoin. The market is falling. What am I gonna do? My wife tells me it's a scam. Yeah, I get asked a lot about what I think Bitcoin is gonna do, what I think crypto is gonna do in general. And I just wanted to call your attention to a video I did back in February where I talked about, I was drawing an Elliott wave, and I said it looked like this Elliott wave is not a corrective wave. It looks more like the start of a bearish five-leg impulse wave. And I drew this chart and I drew what I thought it was going to do. And at the time, I got a lot of negative comments on it. Why are you spreading FUD? And why would anyone follow this guy's technical analysis? And but I had to draw it like I see it. But keep in mind, I'm always bullish on Bitcoin. I'm always bullish. There's people out there that just hate Bitcoin. They hate cryptocurrency, and they rejoice when people lose money, like a lot of people lost with this decline here. There's a special place for those people. I'm not going to go into that, but I do not like seeing. There's no reason to rejoice in anyone's, financial misfortune, or any misfortune for that matter. I don't care who it is. But anyway, if you look at what I drew here, I had it go into this four leg, and I said, well, let me just play a little bit of it so you can hear what I said. Checking in on Bitcoin, had a really nice run this morning. It's currently 92.70. The RSI is looking really strong, but I still think it's going to pull back more. I say that because it's based on the Elliott wave that I drew here. So right now, if this is correct, if I drew this right, we're only in the third leg or the fourth leg of the Elliott wave. So it still has the fifth leg to go, which usually will go lower. So, and keep in mind that this little run here is based on a time where we have very little FUD. There's very little negative news right now in the media. So I'm expecting something. We're due for some negative news. And when that happens, that would be a good reason for the price to fall. And then followed by a 1, 2, 3 correction. Alright, so yeah, you get the idea. So I basically was saying that, and if you look at it, it almost hit it like right on the money. So I said I was going to go up to this green line, which is, what is that? About 1,000, 1,100 or so, and then start to fall. And we're kind of right here at this double bottom, and it's gonna fall through it. It's gonna fall through it, and then it'll correct. It'll find the bottom, and then it'll correct. The thing about these lines, like this trend line, this red trend line I drew here, is that we're all looking at the same charts. We're all looking at the same data. So it's almost a self-fulfilling prophecy. People seeing this information, they're drawing these same lines, and they're making the same decisions that we're all making. And a lot of times people try to get ahead of it. So you may see it not hit a particular number. So if everyone's looking at this line right here saying it's going to hit that and bounce, people are going to try to get ahead of that and start buying before, and it may not hit it. So I'm a big advocate of kind of, don't go all in, kind of pepper your buy. So if you think it's going to hit this line here, then you put a buy here, 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 and if it goes through it, maybe here, or if it doesn't hit it, here again and here again. So you just got to kind of have your plan in place to kind of buy with a plan. Don't just go wait for something to happen and then go all in or all out, if that makes sense. This way you kind of you cost average your way in or your way out of a particular asset. So what we're probably going to see is Bitcoin continuing to fall, and it is going to test this trend line here. Now it's either going to hit this trend line first, or it's going to hit this Fibonacci number first. Doesn't matter because they're pretty close. And then I would say we'd start looking at a return to some positive price action. Right now, actually, I'm liking Ethereum a lot better as a gateway into cryptocurrency. So if you're using US dollars, I like Ethereum better. It just seems like it's been beat up a lot more. I think it's got more to fall. It's probably going to fall to maybe 280, 300. So I'm looking to buy, like let's say you had $500. I'd be looking to buy, I'd put maybe $100 here, $100 here as it's falling, and $100 on the line, and then maybe do the same on the way back as it bounces, as I'm getting more confident that it's returning. So this way you average in and minimize your potential for in case something does happen, let's say some really bad news happens, like a hack or something like that, and it starts to fall. You've only lost at the max maybe $300. You didn't lose everything, but what that actual number is, it's going to be different for you, so whatever makes sense for you. But I'm a big advocate of not going all in and all out. So that's my plan. And once Ethereum turns around a bit, there's a bunch of altcoins I like, so I would start looking, if you haven't already, start looking at altcoins, see what they see which projects you like, and buy into them knowing that they will probably go down. So you have to kind of believe in and support and just generally like the projects that you're in, or else you're just going to you're not going to be able to hold on when the price falls. And that's the important thing about making money in cryptocurrency, is being able to ride those storms and not give in to the temptation of what everyone's saying, all the negative news that everyone's saying. Don't buy into it. So that is it. If you want to hear what I said in this video, go check it out. There's the title there. It was dated February 14th, and it was pretty right on. We'll just have to see how it plays out in the next couple of days. And we'll see you in the next video. Peace.